guys, thank you again for viewing our channel here at Jofer Interiors SMP. My name is Fernando, as you may already know, and today we're going to be talking about a simple decor item that you may have already seen in many of our decor or interior decor items that we have created in our blog and for most of our clients. Now, this is the use of facet balls. Now, today we're simply going to be showing you the difference in sizes of these facet balls. You may see these online throughout the web. Now, these may come or range anywhere from 20 millimeters to 80 or even 100 millimeters is the most we've seen. Now, that is millimeters in circumference, if you will, or diameter. And this is how you would normally see it stated on the web. Now, with no further delays, we're going to intend to show you the difference in sizes of these crystal facet balls compared to maybe some items that you may find at home. We did our best to find the best items to measure the size or to give you at least an idea as to what you can expect when you order these online. Our first runner-up here is this 20 millimeter facet ball, or we should say 100% glass crystal facet ball. Now, when you take a look at these online, if you want to get an idea as to how large or how small this facet ball is, we use the nickel. As you can see, the height of this particular 20 millimeter facet ball is just about the same circumference or height of this nickel. Our next runner-up is this 40 millimeter facet ball. It's almost in diameter or circumference, once again, the size of, let's say, a ping pong ball or a golf ball. Our next runner-up is a 60 millimeter facet ball. And this is a beauty. So, if you were to purchase a 60 millimeter facet ball, just remember that a 60 millimeter facet ball is roughly, and this is the word, roughly the size of a tennis ball. Maybe about 2 millimeters less than the size of a tennis ball, guys. Our next runner-up is this beauty, an 80 millimeter facet ball. This beauty right here never fails. Now, as to showing you in comparison the size of this 80 millimeter facet ball or 80 millimeter crystal facet ball, we're going to use a baseball. Now, as you can see, guys, the size of an actual baseball is very close to the size of an 80 millimeter crystal facet ball. But always keep in mind that crystal is a solid material and it will always weigh more than its comparable object. So here you go, 80 millimeter facet ball compared to a baseball. Guys, once again, to tie it all in and bring it all home, we're going to show you again a 20 millimeter facet ball, 20 millimeters, compared to a nickel. We have a 40 millimeter crystal facet ball compared to either a ping pong ball or a golf ball. Next runner-up is a 60 millimeter crystal facet ball. 60 millimeters, roughly the size of a tennis ball. And last but not least, we have a 80 millimeter facet ball. Very much so comparable to a actual baseball. So there you have it, guys. 20 millimeters, 40 millimeters, 60 millimeters, 80 millimeters. And there you have it. Thank you again, guys, for viewing our channel here at Jofer Interiors SMP. We hope that this small presentation here gives you at least a small idea as to what you'll be getting when you order your next crystal facet ball. Meet us here again at Jofer Interiors SMP. Until next time, have a great day.